Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to review a few problems from the Khan Academy assignment, Use Pythagorean Theorem to find right triangle side lengths. So, in this particular problem, we want to find the value of x in the triangle below, and we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. Now, the Pythagorean Theorem, as a review, is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay. Now, A and B are the legs of the triangle, the sides that are not the hypotenuse. C is always the hypotenuse. So we're looking for x, which is actually the side of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. It doesn't matter if I call 5a and 12b, or if I call 5b and 12a. Okay, so let's just start off. I'll use 12 as a, so I'm going to say 12 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. Okay, so 12 squared is 12 times 12, which is 144. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And that equals c squared. If I add 144 plus 25, I get 169, which is equal to c squared. I'm going to take the square root of both sides, so I just get c, which is c is x, remember. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And the square root of 169 is 13. So 13 equals c, and remember, c is the hypotenuse. In this case, they're calling it x, so x is 13 units. Okay. Going to get some energy points. It's a good day. I can upgrade my avatar, maybe. Let's go to the next question, see what they got for us next. Okay, we're going to find the value of x in the triangle below. So now x is like, we'll say x is a, because this is not the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle, so the hypotenuse is 6. We'll call 5b. So we're going to say, we're going to set it up a squared, or x squared in this case, plus b squared, so it's going to be 5 squared, equals 6 squared. So still don't know what x squared is, so x squared, 5 squared is 5 times 5 plus 25, equals 6 times 6, which is 36. Okay. I want to get x by itself on one side of the equation, so I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. So I'm going to get x squared equals 11. To figure out what x is, I have to take the square root of x squared, and if I take the square root of one side, I have to do that with the other side. So I'm going to get x is equal, now 11 is not a perfect square, so we're going to just leave it as the square root of 11. Can't really simplify that one either. So x is the square root of 11, choose A, check our work, more energy points. It's always a good day when you get energy points. Okay, let's try another. All right, in this one we're going to find the value of x in the triangle shown below. Again, the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle, so the hypotenuse is 13. That is like our c. We can say x is like a. Remember, we're doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 12 is like b. Okay, and then obviously the hypotenuse is c. Again, the Pythagorean theorem is, this formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so we're going to say x squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Now, you may remember we did have a previous problem. The first problem we had here was a 5, 12, 13 Pythagorean triple, which is, there's a bunch of Pythagorean triples. So I guess we're going to get 5, but let's follow through and see if we do. So we have x squared. By guessing, I mean I know we're going to get 5. All right, 12 times 12 is 144. But if you didn't know that, this is how we would do it, okay? 13 times 13 is 169. Okay, we're going to subtract 144 from both sides to get x by itself. We're going to get x squared equals 25. Okay, we want to get just x, so we're going to take the square root of x squared, and we'll have to do that with both sides. So we take the square root of 25. So x equals square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so let's check our work. All right, let's try another one. All right, in this case, we're trying to find the hypotenuse. So that's good. We had two where we tried to find these other sides besides the hypotenuse. This one, we're trying to find the hypotenuse. Remember, this is like C. Let's call this one A. Again, with the sides that aren't the hypotenuse, it doesn't matter whether you label them A or B. Okay, so we're going to have A squared, so 9 squared, plus B squared, 7 squared, equals C squared, which is, in this case, X, so X squared. All right, 9 squared is 9 times 9, that's 81. Plus 7 squared is 7 times 7, that's 49. That equals x squared. Okay, let's add these two together. 9 to 81 makes 90. 90 plus 40 is 130. So 81 plus 49 is 130. Okay, that equals x squared. We want just x, so we're going to have to take the square root of x squared, take the square root of 130. So we get square root of 130 equals x, or x equals square root of 130. It's our solution. Let's check, and look at that. If you have any questions, please leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and have a great day.